Einstein solved the universe, but he couldn't solve socks. He hated them. And his reason? Pure genius. Today, we're revealing Einstein's strangest habit and why it actually made perfect sense. Albert Einstein. E equals mc squared. Theory of relativity. The man who literally rewrote physics. But in real life, he looked like he got dressed in the dark. Messy hair? Check. Wrinkled clothes? Always. But there was one thing people couldn't stop talking about. Einstein refused to wear socks. Ever. Not at home, not at lectures, not even when meeting world leaders. So why did Einstein hate socks? Someone finally asked him. His answer? Legendary. He said, "When I was young, I discovered that the big toe always ends up making a hole in the sock, so I stopped wearing socks." That's it. Problem identified, problem solved. The man who understood the fabric of space-time gave up on the fabric covering his feet forever. And Einstein didn't hide this habit. He walked around Princeton University without socks, gave lectures without socks, attended formal dinners without socks. Students whispered, colleagues raised eyebrows, photographers captured it. But Einstein, he didn't care at all. To him, comfort beat fashion every single time. One famous photo shows him in sandals, no socks, sitting with world leaders. Zero shame, maximum confidence. But here's the thing. Einstein wasn't just being lazy, he was being strategic. He once said, "Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking." Einstein believed your brain has limited energy, so why waste it on meaningless decisions? Matching socks? Unnecessary. Choosing outfits? Waste of time. He saved his mental energy for what actually mattered, unlocking the secrets of the universe. That's why he wore the same style of clothes every day. Gray suits, leather jacket, no socks. Decision fatigue? Eliminated. Steve Jobs did the same thing with his black turtleneck. Mark Zuckerberg with his gray t-shirt. Barack Obama with his blue or gray suits. They all learned from Einstein. Don't waste energy on things that don't matter. Einstein proved you don't need perfect fashion to change the world. Sometimes the smartest decision is refusing to make unnecessary decisions. So next time someone judges your style choices, remember Einstein walked around sockless and still became the greatest mind in history. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Story of Icons for more surprising truths about the world's most brilliant people. Because even geniuses hate socks.